In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use GoHighLevel for your marketing agency. So there's generally two ways that you can use GoHighLevel if you have an agency. First, you can use it to manage your own business, so your own agency. And second, you can use it to manage your clients or even resell it to your clients. So I'll show you how to do both and what you can generally do with them. Now, first, if you have not yet created your GoHighLevel account, usually they offer a 14-day free trial. Through the link down in the description, you can claim this extended 30-day free trial. So after claiming that, you will see this. Now, this is basically your agency account, so to have your agency name, which you have selected when you sign up. So this is where you can manage your own agency. So they already have an example of an automation you can use for your own agency. When a customer books an appointment with your agency, you can send them an email, assign them to a user, add a tag, send a notification, and there's a bunch more things you can do. They also have a lot of templates. So if you go to the workflow templates, you can see, for example, you have the email drip sequence, lead nurture, converting leads, or you can filter by a specific category, such as customer appointment. So for example, when a customer books an appointment with you, you could do an appointment confirmation and reminder to increase your show up rate, which will already improve the amount of money that you are going to make with your agency just by improving your show up rates with one of these kinds of workflows. So you can just set this up very simply by having the trigger as booking in an appointment. So you will then need to use GoHighLevel's appointment booking system or connect your own that you are already using. So you can see, for example, they have Zoom right there. So you can also connect Zoom if you want to. And then you can send a confirmation email, which all, of course, happens automatically. So you can choose the message right here. They can then also add it to their Google Calendar or Outlook. And all of this gets populated automatically. They have 24 hours before the appointment, another reminder email and SMS, 1 hour before another email and SMS, and then 1 hour after an internal notification. Wait for the link, and you can just see this entire workflow. You can even send an automated review request, and this will already improve your agency quite a lot. Now, another thing you can use GoHighLevel for if you have an agency is for your funnels and websites. So that again can be for your client or for yourself. Now, first, I'm just showing how you can use it for your own business. So if you go to sites, you can see funnels as well as websites, and then you can just create a funnel. You can start from blank, use AI, or pick one of their templates. And they have templates specifically made for marketing agencies. So you can see, for example, SaaS sales, marketing software services. So if you click preview, you can see these look very good. And it's very easy to customize. It's just a drag and drop editor. Now you can also use the opportunities section for your CRM, for your agency. So you can create a new pipeline. And then here you can go and give it a name, adding your stages. For example, contacted or lead and the other stages. And then you can really easily just move them from stage to stage. And if you go to your dashboard, you can then also see the value of your pipeline, which is very interesting to see. You can also add a likelihood of a person converting in each stage, and based on that, it will then calculate how much each lead is worth. So that's basically a couple things you can do if you want to use it for your own agency, but maybe even more powerful is using it for your clients. So if you head over to this section right here and just click switch to agency view, you can then go to your sub accounts right there and just click on create sub account. Now here you can choose a template, so just search for what industry your client is in. For example, if they are in real estate, just going to search real estate, and they have brokers and agents. Let's say they're an agent, and just click select and continue, add their business details, and their first name, last name, and email address, and then just create their sub account. From there, you can go and switch to that sub account so that you can then actually manage your client account. So in the left menu, you can really easily switch between your sub accounts. So now I'll go to the client account, and this one is specifically for real estate. And if you select the type of business that your client has, then if you go to automation, for example, you will see it's already loaded up with a bunch of templates specifically for their industry. For example, you have the new lead nurture, which is the fast 5. So you can see when a Facebook lead form is submitted or a claim offer form is submitted, then you can create an opportunity in the new lead stage, and then they go through this entire workflow. Now, one way that you can use GoHighLevel is if you run ads for your clients. There are basically two options. If you do it on Facebook, you can either just connect to Facebook, and that is for if you use lead forms, and then it will automatically extract the lead form information into your GoHighLevel account. What you can also do is create a site, then go to funnels and just create a real estate offer funnel, just like the one you see here. That again is already loaded up. So this offer is to claim a free home valuation. So you can just create an offer like this and then claim then they enter their full name, email and phone. And then again, they go through the workflow that I just showed you. Now you can also use GoHighLevel for your client communication. So you have two-way SMS, emails and calls. So you have the conversations tab right here where you can just hook all of that up so that you have a unified inbox where you can respond to everything. You can also use AI for that. And as an agency, you can also sell this to your client as a retention tool, because clients do like that they can manage all their communications in one place. Now, another very cool thing you can do with GoHighLevel is reputation management, so reviews and Google My Business. What you can do is go into reputation, the left menu, and here you can then go and set up a review request, although you can also automate this. But first you want to go and connect your Google business profile, then configure the reviews AI, then you can send a review request, set up the review link, create a widget, and connect more platforms. But again, you can also automate this by going to automations. And then for this one, it's already loaded in. So when a new sale is made, it sends a review request. So you can see the trigger. So the opportunity status changed to 1. Then it will be removed from the workflow. A review request email will be sent as well as an SMS. And then wait for 3 days. And then you have an internal notification. So for example, if contact name hasn't yet left a review, please follow up manually. So that is very good for your clients to get reviews, because of course if you have more positive reviews, you will also get more customers. Now, if you want to, as an agency, you can also host courses, memberships or client portals inside of GoHighLevel, which you can do as switching to your own account and then just going to memberships right here. You can create your own client portal for your clients. So for example, if you need to get the same thing from every single client, such as being able to log into their Facebook ads, maybe their Instagram account, you can just set up a client portal where you request all of that stuff. Now you can also create courses or communities. What you can also do is white label GoHighLevel, so you can add your own branding to it. So for example, I have the customer account right here. Now currently, if this customer signs into GoHighLevel, they will see that it has the GoHighLevel domain, it has the GoHighLevel logo. But what you can do is, if you have the $297 per month unlimited plan, you can go to the agency view right here. And then what you can do is go to your launchpad right here, and then in foundational setup, you can just click add a brand logo. Now here, just go to upload your own logo. Now it can be no bigger than this size right here. So you will see that then the logo in the top left gets replaced, and now your branding will be on the platform. Now you can also add a white label domain, so you can connect your own domain so that if you go to your domain, for example app.yourdomain.com, then it will redirect to GoHighLevel, and your clients will also be able to go to that domain, which looks very professional, and see this entire software under your domain, and it will look like it is actually your software. So you can just go and add your white label domain right there and then connect it. And you will see that now this logo, even if I switch to the client account right here, it stays the same logo, which could be your logo. Again, this is only possible in the $297 per month plan. So they have basically two plans. They have the $97 per month and $297 per month plan. $97 is great if you have very few clients, so you can manage up to 3 clients here, including your own business if you want to use GoHighLevel for your own agency. If you want to manage more than 3 clients, you will need to get the unlimited plan at $297 per month. Here you also get API access, unlimited sub accounts, so you can manage as many clients as you want, which is quite cheap for $297. And you can add your own branding to the desktop app, which I think looks quite a bit more professional. Now, it's also very easy to prove the ROI of working with your agency if you use GoHighLevel by going to the dashboard, and there you have your reporting and stuff like that. So you can show your campaign analytics such as calls, text, bookings, pipeline value, and you can also generate reports that you can then share with your client. So clients often don't fire agencies that can show their exact ROI and that are making a lot of money for them. So if you can do that, which is possible in GoHighLevel, that is a great thing to do. So I've now shown you how you can use GoHighLevel to nurture your leads for your agency itself, how you can communicate with your leads, so through the conversations, and that is also for you and your agency as well as for your clients. I've shown you how you can generate reviews for your clients, although you can also implement that for your own agency. I've shown you how you can retain clients by using the ROI on your dashboard. And I've also shown you how you can create your pipeline and stuff like that. Now there's so much more you can do in GoHighLevel. You can take payments through it, you have AI agents, you can do your marketing. But which features are most helpful for you really depends on what type of a client you have and what services you offer. Now you can really offer any service inside of GoHighLevel, and all of them are valuable to businesses. For example, setting up an AI agent is of course going to be valuable for a business if they can then, for example, replace someone that is doing their customer service with the conversation or voice AI. Now again, if you haven't yet created your GoHighLevel account, you can get an extended 30-day free trial through the link down in the description. So now you know a few ways that you can use GoHighLevel as a marketing agency. If this video was helpful for you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.